Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you a regular user of clarified butter or ghee? Or maybe you're new to it. If you're looking for one that is creamy and delicious, you will love this one from Spring Sunrise. This 8-ounce package will last you quite some time because it's easily spread on breads, toast, anything that you're using it for. I'm really impressed by the quality and creaminess and texture of this ghee. I love using it in cooking, whether it's to fry up something in a pan or to use on everyday eating. The ghee does not need to be stored in the refrigerator. It can be left out on the counter, and anytime you go to use it, it is really scrumptious. I really love that this product is made from grass-fed cows. It's made organic, so you know that you're getting a good quality product. The cap is easy to come off. The jar stays nice and clean when keeping it on the counter. And just overall, I'm really highly impressed with the taste and texture of this ghee. This is a great brand. I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.